I remember when we would have GI party on Saturday. I'll never forget cleaning those Venetian blinds. And they were so, you had to, you couldn't put any pressure on them if you cleaned. And our mother came behind us literally with a white glove. I mean, the woodwork, the everything. We had a small kitchen, but after every meal, Mother would mop the floor. I mean, the dishes were, you learn how to do stuff. Nowadays, and that's a shame. But that's how I grew up. That's how, you know, the whole school thing. I knew I had to get out of Little Rock. I didn't even like that place. I don't, if I can help it, I don't want to go any place where I got a ton of Confederate flags in my face.